Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishnam Shangapangasth Parsadam Jaggai Sankirtanai Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedasa. So here, in this room especially, Krishna Varnam Tisha Krishna, here is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is Krishna himself, but his complexion is Akrishna, not blackish. Krishna Varnam Tisha, Tisha means by complexion, Akrishna, yellowish. Shangapangasth Parsadam, and he is accompanied by his associates, Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, Sivasadi, Gaur Bhakta. This is the worshipable deity in this age, Krishna Varnam Tisha. So what is the process of worship? Jaggai Sankirtanai Prayai Jajanti Hi Sumedasa. This Sankirtan Jagga as they are performing before Lord Chaitanya, Nityananda and others. This is the perfect performance of Jagga in this age. Otherwise, no other. Therefore it is becoming successful. This is the only prescribed Jagga. Other Jaggas, Rajsriya Jagga, this Jagga, there are so many Jaggas. And sometimes India, they perform the so-called Jagga, they collect some money, that's all. It cannot be successful because there is no Jaggic Brahman. The Jaggic Brahman is not in existence at the present moment. The Jaggic Brahman used to test how correctly they are pronouncing Vedic mantra. The test was that one animal should be put into the fire and he would again come with fresh young body. Then it is tested that the Jagga is being performed nicely. The Brahmana, the Jaggic Brahmana, they are pronouncing the Veda mantra correctly. This is the test. But where is that Brahman in this age? Therefore, no Jagga is recommended. Kalau pancha vivarjaya, asamedam kabalambam, sannyasam palapaitrikam, devarena sutatpatti, kalau pancha vivarjaya. So there is no Jagga in this age. There is no Jaggic Brahman. This is the only Jagga. Chant Hare Krišna mantra and dance in ecstasy. This is the only Jagga. So, Rajyam Suranam api chadhipattam. Formerly, there were many demons who conquered over the kingdom of the demigod. Rajyam Suranam api chadhipattam. Just like Hiranyakashipu. He spread his authority even over the kingdom of Indra. Indrari Bakulam Loki, Minayanti Juge Juge. Indrari. Indrari means the enemy of Indra. Indra is the king of the heavenly planet. And enemy means the demons, the demigods and the enemy demons. Just like we have got many enemies. Because we are chanting Hare Krišna mantra, there are so many critics and so many enemies also. They do not like. So this is always. Now the number has increased. Formerly there are some, now there are many. So therefore, Indrari Vyakulam Lopam. When these demons, the population, demonic population increases, then Vyakulam Lopam. People become perplexed. Indrari Vyakulam Lopam. Mriyanti Juge Juge. So at that time Krishna comes. Iti Changsukala Pumsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. There are list of names of the incarnation of Krishna and God. But after mentioning all the names, the Bhagavad indicates that all the names listed herewith, they are partial representation of Krishna. But the name Krishna is there. His real original personality. Krishnastu Bhagavan Sam. And he comes Indrari Vyakulam Loke. When people are too much embarrassed by the onslaught of the demons, he comes. And he also confirms. This is Shastra. One Shastra says he comes in this condition. And Krishna says, yes, yada yada hi dharmasya grani bhavati bharata tadatmanam sujamaham. At that time I come. So in this Kali Yuga, people are so much disturbed. Therefore, Krishna has come in the form of his name, Hare Krishna. Krishna has come, not personally, but by his name. But because Krishna is absolute, there is no difference between his name and himself. Avinnatyat namanamina nama chintamani Krishna chaitanya rasa vigraha purna suddha nitya mukta. Name is full, as Krishna is full, complete. Similarly, Krishna's name is also full, complete. Suddha, it is not material things. Purna, Suddha, Nitya, eternal. As Krishna is eternal, the name is also eternal. Purna, Suddha, Nitya, Mukta. There is no material conception in chanting Hare Krishna mantra. Avinnatyad nama namina. Nama, the holy name, and the Lord, they are abhinna, identical. So, we cannot be happy. Rajyang suranam apichadipattam. Even if we get the kingdom of the demigods, or suppose without any rival, still we cannot be happy so long we have got material conception of life. It is not possible. That is explained in this verse. Thank you very much. That's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.